some things you can do with DAX that are really interesting. You can, for example, pre-calculate something really fast. If we wanted a card that shows all of our revenue, we can have a new measure, and this is where you can write, one of the places you can write DAX within measures, and let's call it total sales. And what is total sales really? It's just the sum of all revenue. Okay, so we just choose this. Sum is a function, and what we gave it was the column revenue. So what it's doing is that it's doing the sum of the column revenue. What we get should be the result. I believe it's 5 million. Let's see. Yeah, 5 billion, sorry. Yeah. So we have the right result. Now this, you might find this interesting. I mean, wow, we just wrote a line of code and it was able to sum up everything we had. But you can also tell me, this is the same as we do in Excel. Wait a minute. Now this measure, let's drag it into the canvas. This measure can be broken down into subcategories, into different manufacturers, different anything, without any additional effort. So if you drag manufacturers here, your measure is basically split up along manufacturers without you having to write additional code. This is a really cool feature of measures that allows you to do a calculation once and then analyze it across different dimensions or time lapses without any real more effort. You just do it very quickly. In the next section, we'll see how to do even more with DAX and how to get even more complex insights and measures from it. So I'll see you there.